I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a test question for you on angle properties of intersecting lines. You are given that two angles whose sum is 90 degrees are complementary, two angles whose sum is 180 degrees are supplementary angles, and opposite angles are always equal, right? So this should be two or more, right? So let me write down more angles also. So you know these three things. Based on that, we have a question for you. So let me sketch one. So I'm just drawing three intersecting lines, right? So let's say this is one line, the other one, and at this point I'm drawing another line which is at right angles to this line, right? So it is the line kind of like this, okay? So these are my three lines. Let us label these lines. This point, I'll write this as 0, and what I'm saying is that this is 90 degrees, okay? So this is 90 degrees for you, correct? And let me begin by writing this place as A, this as B. Here we'll write this as C, D, and this is E, and this one is F for you. I'll give you one more angle so that you can find all the angles, correct? So this time, which angle should I give you? That is interesting. So what I can do is I can give you one of these angles, which is, let us say, I'll give you the angle besides 90 degrees. So this angle here is, let us say, 20 degrees, right? If that is 20 degrees, I know it is more than 20, but estimate this to be 20 degrees. Find all the angles. So first question is, find all angles. That is your first question. And the second question is, write all possible complementary angles, right? Set of, let me write set of, a group of complementary angles this is angles and supplementary angles. Correct. So you can pause the video, answer this question, and then check with my answer, okay? So I'll give you a quick answer here. Since we know this is 90 degrees, we also know that that angle should also be 90. We are given this as 20. So let me write down the other angles in lighter ink. So this should be, since this is 90 also, it should be 70. Is it okay? 20 plus 70 is 90. Then opposite angles are equal. So 70, this has to be 70, correct? 20, this should be also 20. Is it okay? That is 90, so this should be 90. All these angles don't look like that. I have given purposely to confuse you, but apply the knowledge. So that is how you should get all the angles. And as far as complementary angles are concerned, that means, let's say complementary angles, that means the sum is 90 degrees. Is that okay? So 90 degrees, we have angle BOA plus angle AOF. So that is complementary on this side, and on the other side EOD, we could say angle EOD, EOD and DOC, angle DOC, right? So that is also 90 degrees. That gives you set of complementary angles. How about supplementary angles? So supplementary angles add up to 180 degrees. That means a straight line, right? So we could write many combinations here. If you consider this line DA, then the angles will be DOC and COB, angle COB, and angle BOA, right? Angle BOA. All three of them add up to 180 degrees, one straight line. So we also call them linear pair, right? Linear set, okay? Since there are three, I'm writing linear set, okay? The other one is on the other side, so which is EOF, angle EOF, angle FOA, and AOB, angle AOB, right? Now take another line, which is CF. So for that, we get COB, BOA, angle BOA, and angle AOF, right? And then